Good evening, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So it's already actually a little bit past 7, and I haven't felt like anything earlier in the day. So this is going to be my only meal today, and I'm going to do a new noodle kit that I've never tried before. I ordered this my last Weee order, and this is supposed to be a mushroom rice noodle kit. It's not supposed to be hot, which is good. And it basically has a noodle pack, a soup pack, a 5-grain flour pack, a mushroom pack, dehydrated vegetables, a soybean pack, and a bean curd pack. So we'll see what's actually in here. And then to that, I'm going to add, I also ordered this at the same time. This is a pickled mustard green, which is basically your mustard greens, water, salt, absorbic acid. Nope, lactic acid. Just your preservatives in there. No idea what that's going to be like, but I do like pickled mustard. And I've never seen it sold like this before. So that's going to be something new to try. And then I have a couple of baby bok choy, some red bell pepper, some lime juice. For my protein, I'm going to add some of the chicken that I cooked. And then I have some wasabi peas and some corn nuts that I'm going to add in there for crunch. And that will be the bowl. I don't have any idea about the nutrition value on that yet, but I haven't had anything so far today, so I'm sure it will be fine. All right, so here is what is in the bag, and even Google Lens wasn't really able to help me translate a lot of this. So I have some rice noodles, and then obviously that is dehydrated vegetables, and that I think is going to be, I don't know, maybe the soybean packet. And then there's a sauce packet and another sauce packet. Again, something else. And these are dry, so I don't know. I'm going to open these and taste them individually just to make sure I don't get something super hot in there, even though it's not supposed to be super hot. And we'll add the veggies and we'll see what happens.